Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful dragon egg using the materials that you see here. The only material that is not included in your kit is the aluminum foil. What you're going to do is find something that you can bake. Okay, something that is bakeable that you can kind of base your egg around. So I'm just going to crumple this. Into a generalized egg shape. Okay, basic egg. And then you're going to take your clay. I've already started working this clay. It takes a minute to kind of get it warm enough that it's malleable in your hands. You have to play with it. Yep, it's going to turn your hands blue. You might want to put down wax paper or something to work on to kind of protect your surface. It'll come off, but you're just going to play with this. This clay is polymer clay, and it is bakeable. It will harden when you bake it, and that's why you need something for your inside that is bakeable. You're going to want to do next then is take the assortment of jewels and chains and such that we've included in your kit and start pressing things into your egg. Now I have some room here. I can add just a little bit of texture, something to make it look like scales. So that's what I've done like right here. If you can see that, let me get a little closer, that texture there. So you could use a straw for this. You could use a pencil eraser kind of to make some indentations. I happen to have, for some reason, this weird copper pipe. So I'm actually just going to use it and make some indents some places. I like to work in groups of 3. It makes everything feel balanced. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some of these other littler gems, kind of weave those in. So there is my dragon egg. That's how it'll look finished. But now for the meantime, I have to set everything aside, clean off my workspace a little bit here, and I need to pull off everything I've already done. Okay, so you're gonna bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes at the temperature that I've specified in the instructions, which I can't remember right now. Here is our finished baked egg. Now we're gonna go back and glue on the charms. I'm gonna use a glue gun. This is a low temp glue gun. You can get these basically anywhere for a few bucks. This is old school. We have a visitor. Carry on. Okay. So I'm just gonna start gluing things on. So So that is my finished dragon egg.